Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you someone who cringes at the thought of heat styling because of the potential damage? If so, I've got something that could be a game changer for you. Let's talk about the KERATHERAPY Keratin Infused Rapid Rescue Shining Shine Spray. This isn't just any shine spray. It's designed to protect your hair from the very heat tools you rely on, all while adding a beautiful shine. But does it live up to its promises? Stick around to find out, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an honest review. Now let's dive into the product. The KERATHERAPY Keratin Infused Rapid Rescue Shining Shine Spray comes in a 4.2 full-ounce bottle, and it's specifically formulated to combat hair breakage while providing heat protection. The star ingredients are a blend of keratin, coffee extract, sunflower oil, macadamia oil, and pearl powder. It's paraben-free and has a fresh citrus scent that's subtle yet refreshing. The spray claims to mend split ends, protect from heat styling, seal the cuticle, and even enhance color vibrancy. Quite the list of benefits for a single product. I was curious to see how well this shine spray would perform during my regular styling routine. I used it both on damp and dry hair, applying it before heat styling. The first thing I noticed was the lightweight texture. It didn't weigh my hair down or leave it feeling greasy, which is a major plus. I've tried heat protectants in the past that left my hair feeling heavy, but this one left my hair soft and manageable. The spray applies evenly and doesn't leave behind any sticky residue. I used it before curling my hair with a flat iron, and the results were impressive. My curls held their shape without any frizz, and my hair had a natural shine without looking oily or weighed down. It also did a great job of protecting my hair from heat. There was no noticeable dryness or damage after multiple styling sessions, which is a huge relief for anyone who regularly uses heat tools. Pros: the formula is lightweight and easy to apply. It provides effective heat protection, reducing hair breakage. It gives a beautiful shine without greasiness. A fresh, citrusy scent that's not overwhelming. Paraben-free for those conscious of ingredient quality. Cons: the spray bottle could be a little more refined for a finer mist. While it adds shine, it's not a heavy-duty product for extreme repair, more of a maintenance product for healthy hair. As far as value for money, the price seems fairly justified considering the quality of ingredients and the performance. Keratin and macadamia oil are staples in high-end hair care, known for their nourishing and protective properties. Given that this is a multi-purpose product, offering heat protection, shine, and a bit of split-end repair, it does provide solid value in that department. However, if you're looking for a product that focuses purely on repairing severely damaged hair, this might not be the most intense option. In terms of alternatives, there are plenty of other heat protection sprays out there, but none that quite blend the ingredients like KERATHERAPY. A comparable product might be a basic heat protectant spray, but if you're looking for something with added shine and nourishment, this one's a great choice. Moving on to build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, though I'd like the spray nozzle to deliver a finer mist for a more even distribution. Still, it's easy to use, and the bottle fits well in my hand, which makes application a breeze. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. The brand has a strong reputation for high-quality hair care products, and though I didn't personally contact customer support, I've seen positive reviews of their responsiveness. It's always good to know that a brand stands behind its products and is there to address concerns. For those wondering about alternatives, if you're on a budget, you might consider the OGX Protecting Plus Silk Blowout Heat Protectant. It's more affordable and provides similar heat protection, but lacks the added shine and nourishing oils found in the KERATHERAPY spray. So, final thoughts? The KERATHERAPY Keratin Infused Rapid Rescue Shining Shine Spray is a fantastic product for anyone looking to add heat protection and shine to their routine. It works beautifully for most hair types and adds a healthy, glossy finish without weighing hair down. If you have dry or damaged hair though, you might want something with a bit more repair power. Overall, it's well suited for daily use, especially if you're looking to maintain healthy, shiny hair while using heat tools. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.